again when I need to post a video about me coming off my bike. So if you watch my previous videos, I've crashed the bike, had a nasty one. I mean, my first crash was in July, second one was in October. I didn't last that much, couple of months. Now, if in the first one I was doing the speed limit obviously and I came off, in the second one I was under the speed limit. I was in town, came across a patch of oil or something on the road, or diesel or whatever it was. I was turning in the corner, I was going left, slid, there's nothing I could do about it. Well, I should have kept my eyes peeled and open and checked the road for the road conditions and everything. But I guess I didn't. Came off the bike, really hurt my hip. I think I was in pain for about 2 weeks. Had a CT scan in the hospital because my hip got swollen up the same day. I had some light internal bleeding and all of that. But anyway, 2 months later I was just fine. The bike didn't take a lot of damage, just some scratches and scrapes on the left hand side. I'll show you the video. And I need to thank my mate that's just behind me. He's the one that came to my rescue that day. Basically, I called him, I knew he was in town. He came and picked me up with the car, dropped me off at Yamaha because my clutch snapped off, so I had to get a new clutch because I couldn't move the bike without the clutch. So he came by with his car. As soon as I called him, took me down to Yamaha to buy a new clutch. The place was shut, he had to go elsewhere. Then I took some cabs.
How's things? West London Yamaha. Yeah. Thanks for not cancelling. I had someone else, I booked him and waited for 5 minutes and then he cancelled. I was like, great, fine. Should be alright, nothing's broken. There was a minicab behind me, luckily he stopped. He helped me get the bike up because I couldn't even get the bike up. I wasn't supposed to get to work today, I guess.
I've never been to
No, I know what you mean. Like on a bicycle, I couldn't be a cyclist in London. I think it's too dangerous because with the bike at least I can get out the way. So if I see danger, I don't know, I just can move differently. But with the bicycle, everyone just keeps going past you, and someone's gonna hit you at some point. Oh, thanks a lot. Have a nice one. All I need to do now is get some keys or something from home base and then get an Uber back to the bike. What a lovely day. At least it's not raining, it's not cold, man. Got a set of sockets, a ratchet handle and an extension bar as well, so hopefully that should do the job. Just waiting for the Uber now. See ya. How are you doing? Yeah, Hyde Park, yeah, that's right.
You parked your motorbike here?
I crashed my motorbike.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yeah. Bit of pain, but should be alright by next week. broke this morning as well.
Sometimes bad luck, you don't know.
Yeah.
Because this oil, this and also this, sometimes this cover.
Yeah, it's slippery.
Yeah, it's very slippery.
Thank you. Have a nice one.
So after I managed to get the clutch, got back to Hyde Park, because that's where I left the bike. I locked it up and left it next to a police car and everything. Hopefully no one would nick it. Fixed it up. I had to buy some tools as well for it. And yeah, I managed to get it running again.
Let's do some DIY and try to get this fixed. Oh, man, what a day, man. I'm so much pain. Luckily, it's just one screw that needs to be undone. Should come off easily. Should be able to get the new one on, and then it's all done. These don't come out, man.
The message from this is just ride safe. If you can, have a look in corners and everything, and make sure you check for patches of oil and everything. Take it easy, ride safe, don't get killed on the bike. And thanks for watching, man. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you can and if you want to. Otherwise, just come back for more. And yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. And peace out. Woo.